Welcome back to New and Old Auto. Today we're diving into a treasure trove of automotive excellence with our guide to the 10 best used cars to buy from the 2000-2010 era. This decade was a golden age for reliability, innovation, and style in the automotive world. We've meticulously selected cars that stand out for their enduring quality, performance, and value retention. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily driver, a sporty weekend cruiser, or a family-friendly vehicle, our list covers a diverse range of needs and preferences. So buckle up as we explore each car in detail, sharing insights, fun facts, and why they've earned their spot in our top 10. 1. Honda Civic, 2006-2011. First up, the Honda Civic from 2006 to 2011. This generation of the Civic is celebrated for its unbeatable combination of reliability, fuel efficiency, and versatility. Whether you choose the sedan, coupe, or even the hybrid variant, these models are economical to run and maintain. The Civic is renowned for its enduring engine performance and minimal maintenance issues, making it a favorite among first-time buyers and long-term car owners alike. Its popularity also means there's an abundance of parts and a vibrant community for support and advice. Fun fact: the Civic Si from this era is a hidden gem for enthusiasts, offering a high-revving engine and a sporty suspension setup, making it a joy to drive. 2. Toyota Camry, 2002-2006. Next, the Toyota Camry of 2002-2006. Known for its bulletproof reliability, the Camry is the go-to choice for a hassle-free, comfortable ride. These models excel in delivering a smooth driving experience, ample interior space, and a reputation for being nearly indestructible. Owners love the low cost of ownership and the car's ability to easily surpass 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. Both the 4-cylinder and V6 engines offer a great balance of power and fuel efficiency. The Camry's understated design means it's not just a reliable car, but also a timeless one. An interesting point: this era's Camry is often praised for its exceptionally quiet and refined cabin, making it a perfect choice for long commutes. 3. Ford Mustang, 2005-2009. In third place, we have the Ford Mustang from 2005-2009. This period marked a revival of the Mustang's classic muscle car aesthetics, blending nostalgic design with modern technology. The base V6 model offers a great entry point for those new to muscle cars, while the GT's V8 engine delivers the exhilarating performance enthusiasts crave. The Mustang's strong aftermarket support means endless customization possibilities. These models also mark the introduction of more advanced safety features and improved handling compared to their predecessors. A fun fact about the Mustang from this era: it rekindled the love for muscle cars in the 21st century, sparking a new wave of performance vehicle enthusiasm. 4. Subaru Outback, 2005-2009. At number 4, the Subaru Outback for 2005-2009. This car is ideal for adventurers and families alike, offering ample space, comfort, and Subaru's legendary all-wheel drive system. The Outback stands out for its exceptional off-road capability without sacrificing on-road comfort. It's equipped with either a reliable 4-cylinder engine or a more robust 6-cylinder, catering to different power needs. The interior is versatile and roomy, making it perfect for long road trips or hauling gear. Moreover, Subaru's commitment to safety is evident in these models, with features like anti-lock brakes and side curtain airbags. The Outback is more than just a car, it's a reliable companion for all of life's adventures. It's also worth noting that the Outback's wagon body style offers the practicality of an SUV with the handling and efficiency of a car. 5. BMW 3 Series, 2006-2010. Fifth on our list is the BMW 3 Series from 2006-2010. This era of the 3 Series is often lauded as the perfect blend of luxury, performance, and practicality. Renowned for its superb handling and responsive engines, it offers a driving experience that's hard to match. The interior is crafted with quality materials, providing a sense of luxury and comfort. Available in sedan, coupe, and convertible body styles, there's a 3 Series for every taste. While maintenance can be higher than some other cars on this list, the reward is a car that's engaging to drive and prestigious to own. A lesser-known fact: the 335i model from this generation introduced BMW's now famous twin-turbo inline-6 engine, offering impressive performance and efficiency. 6. Mazda Miata MX5, 2005-2010. At number 6, the Mazda Miata MX5 of 2005-2010. The Miata is celebrated for delivering pure driving joy. Its lightweight design, balanced handling, and responsive engine make it a favorite among driving purists. This generation saw improvements in power and interior quality, while maintaining the fun-to-drive characteristics the Miata is known for. Its convertible top adds an extra layer of excitement, perfect for scenic drives. The Miata also boasts exceptional reliability and low maintenance costs, making it a practical choice for a fun sports car. Fun fact, the Miata is one of the best-selling two-seat convertible sports cars in history, a testament to its enduring appeal. 7. Lexus LS430, 2001-2006. 7th, we have the Lexus LS430, produced from 2001-2006. This luxury sedan is a pinnacle of comfort and reliability. The LS430 is known for its ultra-smooth V8 engine, whisper-quiet cabin, and luxurious features like heated and cooled seats and a Mark Levinson sound system. It offers the build quality and refinement expected from Lexus, with a ride that rivals far more expensive European luxury cars. Despite its premium status, the LS430 is surprisingly affordable in the used car market. It's a car that lets you enjoy luxury without the high price tag. An interesting note, the LS430 was one of the first cars to offer adaptive cruise control, showcasing Lexus's innovation in driver assistance technologies. 8. Chevrolet Silverado 1500, 2007-2010. Number 8 is the Chevrolet Silverado 1500 from 2007-2010. This truck is a workhorse, known for its durability, powerful engine options, and towing capacity. It's a versatile vehicle that's as comfortable doing heavy-duty work as it is being a daily driver. The Silverado offers a range of cab and bed configurations, making it adaptable to various needs. The ride quality and interior comfort were significantly improved in this generation, making it more user-friendly for long hours on the road. The Silverado is also highly customizable, with a vast array of aftermarket parts available. A cool fact about the Silverado, it's been one of the best-selling trucks in America for decades, a testament to its all-around capability and reliability. 9. Volkswagen Golf GTI 2006-2009. At number 9, the Volkswagen Golf GTI for 2006-2009. This car is often credited with popularizing the hot hatch segment. The GTI combines practicality with genuine sports car performance thanks to its turbocharged engine and agile handling. It's a car that's equally at home on a twisty back road as it is in the supermarket parking lot. The interior is surprisingly spacious and well appointed for a compact car. The GTI is also known for its strong community of enthusiasts, offering great support and resources for owners. Fun fact, the GTI's plaid seat upholstery has become an iconic and distinctive feature, beloved by fans of the model. 10. Acura TL 2004-2008. Finally, at number 10, the Acura TL from 2004-2008. This era of the TL is lauded for its perfect balance of luxury, performance, and reliability. It features a powerful V6 engine, a well-crafted interior, and a sleek exterior design. The TL offers a refined driving experience with plenty of features, including an excellent sound system and advanced safety technologies. It's a car that provides the premium feel of a luxury brand with the dependability of a Honda. Acura's attention to detail is evident in the TL's build quality and thoughtful design. An interesting aspect of the TL is its optional super handling all-wheel drive SH-AUD system, which enhances its performance in all weather conditions and sets it apart from competitors in its class. And that wraps up our journey through the 10 best used cars to buy from 2000-2010. Each of these vehicles offers a unique blend of reliability, performance, and value, making them excellent choices in the used car market. Whether you're looking for a comfortable daily driver, a family-friendly SUV, a work-ready truck, or a weekend sports car, this list has something for everyone. Remember, buying a used car is not just about finding a good deal. It's about finding a car that fits your lifestyle and needs. Thank you for joining us on this automotive adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned to New&Old Auto for more insightful and engaging content on all things automotive. Until next time, happy car hunting!